Hi, prospective Rufus King families. My name is Andrea Pratt, and I'm the proud parent of two Rufus King students. I have a freshman and a junior currently attending Rufus King. I am also the proud parent of two Rufus King graduates. I think it's a true testament to a school when staff members send their kids to the school in which they work. I know there are several members of the staff who have kids who have either graduated from or currently attend Rufus King. One of the things I love about Rufus King is the academic rigor, which directly correlates to the fact that King is the oldest IB school in Wisconsin and offers the most IB courses. Both of my older daughters were full IB students, which enabled them to start their four-year university with college credits already under their belt. They have both been successful in college, with my oldest daughter graduating with honors in 4 years from Xavier University of Louisiana with a degree in chemistry and Latin. Another thing I love about Rufus King is all the extracurricular activities that are offered. My daughters have done a variety of activities, going from student government to golf to cheer to Asian club to academic decathlon, Black Student Union, Afro Central. So many to name, peer mediators. So many programs, so many things to name, because we get worried as parents as we send our kids off, and then we worry about them making friends. But I've been more than pleased to discover that my girls, all four of them very different, have found their tribe at Rufus King. I know this is a difficult decision for you as your kids go into high school, but you'll make an informed decision, you'll make a good decision, and hopefully that decision is Rufus King.